Today we're going to be checking out this mobile standing desk with adjustable height. It was sent to me by the brand. You can see really nice. I'll go ahead and show you how to set up in just a couple of minutes, but this is going to be the white color variation. It does come in a couple other color options available to you as well, which is really nice. So now let's go through some of those features. So I went ahead, kind of set it up like you might want to use it at home. Put my nice MacBook here, a notebook, and like a little water bottle, and there's still a ton of space on this thing. You can see if I needed more space, I can simply slide stuff over, still have enough room for another notebook, a textbook. So this would be perfect for your workspace, perfect for studying, things like that. And there's also a little slot here that you could also put a tablet as well if you wanted to. So just tons of functionality with this thing. Overall, I believe the size of this, according to that product listing, is going to be about 16 inches by 31 and a half across here. So you got almost 32 inches long, 16 this way, just tons of room for you to be able to put whatever you want. And you can also adjust the sizing of it as well. It will go up as high as 43 inches off the ground and go as low as 27 inches. So to do this, all you're gonna have to do is unscrew this knob at the top, unscrew this one down here as well, and you just raise them. So you see there's different holes on the side here. You probably can't see it from that angle, but if I twist it this way, you can see those different holes. That's letting you put the height that you want to install this at. So if you want it to be higher, you would simply move that up into one of the higher holes right there. If you want it to be lower, you just leave it down there. But you do have to do it on both sides. So you can see there's a knob on this side and the outside over there as well. This thing does move really well. It's on carpet right now, so it's kind of hard to see, that it works well, but I did have it on the tile out there in my other room, and it does move really nicely. So once again, just want to show you all that functionality. Now I'll go ahead and show you exactly how I built it. So I went ahead, took everything out of the box. Not too many pieces, looks like a couple right there. And then you do have two more on this side, as well as the wheels, and then that base part of the actual desk. All the supplies here to be able to screw everything together, see how quickly we can get this thing put together. All right, so I went ahead and connected these two base pieces right here with this little railing going across the middle. Very easy to do. Instructions are very simple. Tells you exactly what screws you're going to use. Now it's telling me to put these little pieces on top here. I'm just going to press those down. And then it's going to have me put these wheels on the bottom as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put those wheels on, and then we'll move on to the next step. You can see it's really starting to come together now. All I just went ahead and did was put this knob in on this side, and then one over here as well. And I did put one in the front on both sides up here too. And that's just gonna kind of keep it level. You can adjust the height that way. So if you wanted to make it a little bit lower, you would go ahead and adjust the knobs both on the top and drop it down however far you want, and then screw those knobs back in. But you can see it's really coming together. All I had to do is put these poles in right here, so one on each side, and I did screw this nice straight piece in the top. That's gonna be the base where the actual desk is gonna go. So now we're gonna go ahead and put that thing on and finish this up. Now the desk is finally done. I would say this thing took me under 15 minutes to do all by myself, so very quick and easy to set up. As you saw in the last step, all I was doing was just connecting that top base actual table part of the desk, and all I'm doing is just screwing these in. Very easy to line up as well. It did line it up very well, so very easy to put together. As I said, it took me about 15 minutes to do all by myself. So if you're looking for a nice little desk here, definitely recommend checking this one out, as it was easy installation and offers lots of functionality as well.